In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for Coinbase. To begin, open your preferred web browser and search for Coinbase. In the results, look for the official Coinbase website. Double check the URL and the secure lock icon in the address bar to avoid phishing pages. Once you're on the home page, find and click Sign Up. Next, you'll be asked what kind of account you want to create. Most people choose an individual account for personal use, while a business account is for companies. Pick the option that matches your needs so your features and verification requirements are set up correctly. Enter your email address. Use an email you check often and make sure there are no typos. This address will receive important security notifications. Then click Continue. Coinbase will send a verification code to that inbox. Open your email, copy the code, and paste it back into the verification box. If you don't see it, give it a moment, check your spam folder, or use the resend option. Now create a password. Choose a strong, unique password you don't use anywhere else. A long passphrase with a mix of words, numbers, and symbols is best. Consider storing it in a trusted password manager so you won't lose access. Click. Continue to proceed. You'll now be prompted for your first and last name. Enter them exactly as they appear on your government-issued ID. This helps prevent issues later during identity verification. Next, provide your mobile phone number and click Continue. Make sure it's a number you can access right away, since Coinbase will text you a verification code. Standard messaging rates may apply depending on your carrier. When the text arrives, enter the verification code to confirm your phone number. If the code doesn't arrive, wait a minute or two before requesting another one and ensure you have a stable signal. That's it. You've created your account. From here, you can start verifying your identity so you can fully use Coinbase features like buying, selling, and transferring crypto. Identity verification is a standard regulatory requirement and may include answering personal details, confirming your address, and submitting photos of a government ID and a clear selfie. For the smoothest experience, have your documents ready, use good lighting, and ensure your information matches exactly. As an extra safety measure, plan to enable additional security features once you're in your account and never share verification codes with anyone. Thanks for watching, and you're now ready to get started with Coinbase.